Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 12 zodiac signs and how to impress them. Okay. So in this episode I'm going to discuss four zodiac signs. First one is Aries, second one is Taurus, third one is Gemini, and the fourth one is Cancer. This is just going to be a general video, or you can say it's just a general perception, as a birth chart may have many other planetary combinations. So let's start with Aries. Now, Aries loves beautiful and stylish persons. They may like people who listen to them. So, to approach Aries, a person should have good personality and the person should appear wearing good looking and fashionable clothes. They may like actors or singers or artists like people. Aries is full of ambition and they are bold. Hence, Aries may like somebody who is full of dignity and determined to achieve goals of life. Aries may listen to a person when they talk to them nicely. Next one is Taurus. To Taurus, success matters. Taurus loves a person who is successful and hardworking. Sometimes they also like rich persons and they may like fearless and possessive personalities. The bottom line is money and fame matter to them. If a person is courageous and seriously loving, then Taurus may love them. They love romantic places and they may like to add a bit of drama in their love lives. They may not pick a companion quickly, so spend some time with them. The third one is Gemini. To approach a Gemini, a person should be clever and intelligent. Gemini may like a person who is educated and not so serious. This means Gemini loves to flirt but within limits. Gemini loves humor, intelligent, and they are really sensitive. So they may look casual, but they will pick only an intelligent person. Gemini may like friendship and they may make friendship to anybody. But Gemini would only love who cares for their emotions. Gemini may not always show the right emotion. For example, even if they are sad, they may smile. So, understanding Gemini may require emotional intelligence. Cancer. Cancer loves traditional and disciplined people. Cancer is moody and they may live in an imaginary world. So, a person who is cheerful and not so possessive may be the right person. Cancer may not like a person who is dominating and who is yelling. So, to please Cancer, a person should have a mature and realistic mindset. Cancer and its mood may this sign, Cancer and its mood, make this sign a little difficult to understand. But if somebody spends a long time with them, then they may understand the true emotions of this sign. Their love is deep and perpetual. Okay, so that's the end of this episode. Second and third part are coming, and I am going to discuss the rest of the signs in those parts. Okay, so bye bye.